Get outside and get to running or jogging in this great neutral runner from ASICS. This silhouette is the Magic Speed. It uses an engineered mesh upper that has multi-directional perforation to keep that airflow moving on the inside textile. It's got some extra reinforcement in that heel to give it extra durability, with some padding on that collar as well to give you a lockdown fit. It has a quick lace up so you can get these on and off with ease, with a comfortable foam footbed down there in the bottom. Underneath, it uses the FF Blast Tech midsole that has lightweight cushioning and a rebounding feel, with a carbon plate that goes from the midfoot into the forefoot that adds a little bit extra structure and durability, and it helps improve the toe-off propulsion. It also uses that GUIDESOLE technology right there on the sides that's made to give you a better heel-to-toe ratio, and it reduces ankle suppression, giving you a shock-absorbent feel that helps lessen fatigue of your leg muscles so you can run and jog for longer hours. Underneath, it has an AHAR rubber outsole. It's a high abrasion design. It's put in a critical area here in the forefoot and on the heel, so it's super durable and it can keep lasting for all season long.